Big news from Google. Search is no longer just about links. With AI mode, it's turning into your personal assistant. This AI mode is now rolling out to 180 countries and territories, massively expanding from just the US, UK, and India. So what exactly is AI mode? Think of it like a built-in AI assistant inside Google Search. Instead of just showing links, it gives you context-aware answers, helps you plan, compare, and now even take action. The headline feature is the new Agentic restaurant finder. For example, you can type, "Find me a table for 4 at 7 p.m. at a good Italian restaurant nearby." And instead of just showing results, AI mode will pull in real-time booking links. Right now, this is available for Google AI Ultra subscribers in the US, but rollout will expand further in the future. There are also personalized suggestions for users who opt into labs, based on your past searches, Google Maps activity, and preferences. Under the hood, all this is powered by Project Mariner, Google's AI browsing agent that connects search, maps, and booking platforms to make AI more actionable. And what's next? Google plans to extend these agentic abilities to event ticket booking and local service appointments very soon. So, Google Search is evolving from simply answering your questions to actually getting things done. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates.